video is all about the quiche. You can do anything in the world with quiche that you want. We're going to have a very, very simple one. It's just a ham and cheese. No fancy ingredients. It's late and it's dinner time and we like it. So let's get started. All you're going to need is a pie shell, 3/4 of a cup of milk, a 1/2 cup of heavy cream, some salt, some pepper, 4 eggs, your choice of meat, ham, bacon, Canadian bacon, whatever, a little bit of hot sauce, and some cheese of your choice. All right, my cheese is smoked Gouda. If y'all watched any of my other videos, I love that stuff. I really, truly do. So a lot of my recipes, but they are interchangeable. You can use Swiss cheese, you can use cheddar, you can use Gruyere. Whatever cheese you and your family loves, that's what kind of cheese you use, because it's your recipe once you make it.
Gouda, Gouda, Gouda. She loves Gouda.
I do.
That kind of reminds me of Yoda.
I like Yoda too. I got jammies with Yoda on it. This recipe is so easy, y'all. If you set your ingredients out just like I just did, it's going to take you 5 minutes. Pop it in the oven, and in 35 to 40 minutes, dinner's done. But you can walk away after 5. I mean, this is a great recipe for a really busy night. Okay, now I need to grate my Gouda. I need about a 1/2 cup of my favorite cheese. And I like the rind too. I just grate it all right in there. Yeah, my arm's getting tired. Let's see how much I got. Oh yeah, I got a 1/2 cup. I probably got a whole cup. That's okay, gonna use it. All right, now I'm gonna get the cheese out of the way. Get my bowl here and start cracking eggs. And these are my eggs, that's why they're green. I have green eggs and ham. How about that? 1, 2, 3, and right now we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to those eggs. Salt and pepper is all relative. That's all on you, how much ever you like. Just don't over salt it. You can always add salt at the table. Okay, now we're just going to whip them. Whip them good. I do want to whip them good. Nice and fluffy. Alright, now they're good and incorporated. So now I'm going to add my 3/4 cup of milk. And that is a 3/4 measure. That's why I could get away with that. Isn't that cool? And a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Give that a good stir. And just whip it till it's smooth. Okay, now I'm going to add just a few dashes of hot sauce. Just like that, not a whole bunch. Now we're going to get our cheese. I'm just going to put it all in there. This is my quiche. But you really don't need but about a 1/2 cup. I mean, realistically, that's what you need. Now we're going to give that a good stir. Just to get your cheese in there. And that's good. All right. Now I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to get my pie crust. I'm going to put my ham in the bottom of the pie crust and just spread it all around. This is just leftover ham. Remember I had ham the other night that I made in the scallop potatoes, or not, the ham and cheese casserole, that's what you call it. Anyway, So I still have more ham, so you may get another ham recipe before it's over. All right, now we're just gonna add our little mixture right there on top of that shell. You're gonna get all that cheese out of there. I'm gonna kind of move that cheese around in there so that there's a little bit everywhere. And now it's going in the 375-degree oven. Yes! Okay, now before I put that quiche in the oven, I'm gonna put a little pan up underneath it, just in case it wants to bubble over. I don't wanna mess in my stove, so that's probably a good idea for you too. Just put your little baking sheet or something, or some aluminum foil, anything up underneath it, just in case she bubbles out. We're just gonna slide that right in, and in 35, 40 minutes, we're gonna have dinner. There we go. Look at that. Now I did add a little bit more cheese because y'all know I love cheese, so I had to do it.
Okay. You guys notice I'm not wearing my jacket. You know what that means?
It's warming up.
Not really. But it is warmer than it has been. At least warm enough I don't see my breath right now. But I did see a news article where they said that all this is going to disappear this weekend. Isn't that great? Alright, well let's try Tammy's quiche. Isn't that how you say it?
No.
Gouda, Gouda.
Rich and creamy.
Oh yeah, definitely rich and definitely creamy. It definitely has ham in it. Very delightful omelet style.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's very good. Okay, well, I'm not gonna brag about Tammy's cooking, but it's really freaking good.
Yeah.
Okay. Are we done?
Yep.
You done? Okay.
We're done.
Not me.
See you in the next video. Bye.